So, you've just witnessed a fender bender, a near miss, or maybe something downright bizarre on the road. And you're a Tesla owner. Your mind is racing. Did my car capture it all? The answer, in most cases, is a resounding yes. But how do you actually get to that golden footage? Let's dive in. Tesla's dashcam system is a marvel of modern technology. It's like having a silent, ever-watchful guardian on the road. It records what happens in front of your car, and in some models, even behind. But how do you extract this treasure trove of information? First things first, let's talk about where this footage is stored. Unlike some dashcams that rely on cloud storage, Tesla's system uses a USB drive. That's right, a simple USB drive. It's a bit old school, but it has its advantages, it's reliable, and you have physical control over your data. Now, let's talk about the USB drive itself. Not just any USB drive will do. Tesla has specific recommendations for speed, capacity, and file system. You don't want to use a drive that's too slow, or it might miss crucial moments. And a drive that's too small will fill up quickly. So, do your research and get a drive that's compatible and fits your needs. Once you've got the right USB drive, you need to format it correctly. Tesla recommends a specific format, usually FAT32. Don't worry, we'll show you how to do this step by step later in the video. It's crucial because the car system needs to recognize the drive. Alright, let's get to the fun part, viewing the footage. There are two primary ways to do this, directly on your car's touchscreen and by transferring the files to your computer. Starting with the car, you'll need to have the USB drive inserted. Then, find the dashcam app on your touchscreen. The interface is pretty straightforward. You'll see a timeline of events, and you can scrub through the footage to find what you're looking for. But what if you want to analyze the footage in detail, or maybe share it with someone? That's where your computer comes in. When you remove the USB drive from the car, it will contain a folder structure. There are typically three main folders: Recent Clips, Saved Clips, and Sentry Clips. Recent Clips contains the most recent footage, Saved Clips holds clips you manually saved, and Sentry Clips are recordings triggered by Sentry mode. You can play these files directly on your computer using a video player like VLC or QuickTime. However, for more in-depth analysis, you might want to use specialized video editing software. Now, let's talk about some common questions. People often ask about video quality, night vision, and the legality of using dashcam footage. We'll cover these topics in detail. But remember, while dashcam footage can be a powerful tool, it's essential to use it responsibly. Respect privacy laws, and avoid sharing footage that could harm others. And there you have it. You now know the basics of viewing Tesla dashcam footage. With a little practice, you'll be a dashcam expert in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.